today I want to share with you a really fantastic business idea that you can totally take if you want and become a millionaire. Okay, so many years ago, I was at Thanksgiving dinner with my parents' friends, and their daughter also had lots of like ideas like me. And she had this idea for, you know, the place like you take your car to get the oil change, like the Jiffy Lube, but like one just for women, Lady Lube. And we we forgot about Lady Lube for many years. My sister and I, until one day we had to take her car to get her oil changed. And it's like sort of like, I don't know, a little bit sleazy. Like the men had this like pictures of women on the wall or whatever. And then when we picked the car back up after the oil change, one of them had like left his phone number, like a note that, you know, like we should call him. Like what? Both of us? One of us? Ew, what? No, never. And we immediately remembered Lady Lube, right? All women. So anyway, this is a fantastic idea. Like, if you're looking for a business idea, I have so many more too, but this is just one good one. Yeah, so all women's oil change, Lady Lube.